Okay, so first off, insert the USB flash drive into your computer and locate the GStudio software. Click on the Windows installer version, click Next, again, and wait for it to install. Now click Close to finish, and you will notice your GStudio icon on your desktop. The next step is to install Blue Soleil, which will pair your GWalk with your computer via Bluetooth. This software is located in a small disk inside your Bluetooth transmitter package. Locate the disk in your disk drive, click Setup, select your language, wait for it to install, next, read the agreement, accept it, next, next, install, and finish. Now usually you should restart to let the installation take effect, but I'm just going to do no for now because I've already done it. Alright, now we'll be pairing the GWalk with your computer using Blue Soleil. In the bottom right corner you'll see a Bluetooth icon. Right click on that icon and click Display Classic View. At this point you need to make sure that your GWalk is turned on and your small Bluetooth transmitter is plugged into the USB device. You're going to double click the sun-like object in the middle and it will be searching to pair with your GWalk device with Bluetooth. Now that you see the icon up here on your left, that number on the bottom should match up with the number on the back of your device. Right click and press pair, put the number 1234 in the passkey, and click OK. Okay, once the device is paired, you're going to right click, click Connect Bluetooth Serial Port. Again, right click and notice the COM number written there. Remember that COM number when you need to use GStudio in the future. Alright, now your device is paired with Bluetooth. You can X out of Blue Soleil and click on GStudio. Again, make sure that your GWalk is on, battery is charged, and your small Bluetooth transmitter is plugged into the USB outlet. Okay, keep in mind that anytime you want to start using your GWalk, you need to have previously input your patient information, which is on your left. I've already previously put in some generic heights and weights for male and females just for demonstration. So whenever you want to connect, just make sure you select one of those patients first. Just ignore that. Click Walk L5 and connect to Bluetooth. Notice how the COM number on your right needs to match up with whichever COM number you got when you installed Blue Soleil and paired your device. So now we're going to connect to Bluetooth. Okay, so we'll click Connect Bluetooth. We'll start online just to see if it's connected, which it is. You can see that it's recording the raw data, not storing it. And now you know your device is connected to GStudio. Alright, so now we'll do just a quick trial run just to show you how this device works. So now that everything's installed, you can click on GStudio. Again, just make sure that your device is on and your Bluetooth transmitter is plugged into the USB port. So you're going to select your patient, walk L5, connect to Bluetooth. Now you're going to hit Start Online just to make sure the device is connected. And once your patient begins to walk, you can click Start Storage. This is recording their gait, and this will print out the analysis in the future. Before they finish walking, you can click Stop Exercise. Press OK, and click OK on the bottom. OK, save. And there's your report. Lastly, I'll be showing you how to install and use the PDF converter. This program will be used to either email, print out, or save any of the graphs from the GStudio software into a PDF format. Alright, now that it's installed, you're going to save. And this is just the website where you'll be downloading it from. Run the software. Select your language. Get rid of this. Download. Accept the terms. Next. Next. I uncheck these just because I don't want them to change any of my home pages. Next. Install. And finish. Okay, so let's open up GStudio as if we're doing a normal analysis. You're going to select your patient. Walkout 5. Doing a normal trial just like I showed previously. Connect the Bluetooth. Start online. Patient's walking. You start storage. Patient stops walking. You're going to click Stop Exercise. OK. And you're going to click OK on the bottom as well. OK, save. Okay, so now GStudio will display the gait symmetry analysis in front of you. As you can see, full detailed report. You go to Analysis up in the top left corner, click Print, and select the PDF creator in your printer name selector. Click OK. Okay, then the PDF will pop up in front of you. Click the print icon in the top left, and this will allow you to save your gait analysis document as a PDF. You can change the document title to anything you'd like. In this case, I'll call it Trial. You can change the creation date, the modification date. You can put in which prosthetist was using the program at this point, the subject, and any keywords or notes you would also want to put in. At the bottom there are a whole variety of options, but mainly we'll be using Save. And then you can click Save, and your gait analysis document is saved as a PDF file, which enables you to email it to either a practitioner, a health insurance company, or even the patient itself.